Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a 3-day visit to the United States from September 22nd to September 25th. Now, this is a very crucial visit. Why? Because the Prime Minister is heading to the United States for the first time since Joe Biden became the President of America. And in these 3 days, the Prime Minister is going to be holding back-to-back high-level meetings. He's going to be meeting with a number of world leaders and also influential leaders in the United States. There's a meeting with US Vice President Kamala Harris lined up, a meeting with the Apple CEO Tim Cook as well, among several others. Now, the Prime Minister's delegation includes the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, the Foreign Secretary H.V. Shringla, the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, among several others, according to reports, have accompanied the Prime Minister to the United States. So here's a look at the itinerary, what's on the agenda and what the Prime Minister's schedule looks like. On September 22nd, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in New York, where he's going to be a part of the COVID-19 Global Summit. This is a summit that's being hosted by US President Joe Biden on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly. On 23rd September, you'll see a series of bilaterals taking place. Prime Minister Modi is going to be holding a bilateral with the Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison. He's also going to be meeting with the Japanese Prime Minister with Yoshihide Suga. The British Prime Minister Boris Johnson will later join the three world leaders. All this will happen on September 23rd. It's on the same day that Prime Minister Modi will be meeting top CEOs of the country, including Apple CEO Tim Cook. President Joe Biden will later be hosting the Quad leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, for a dinner, and it's expected that US Vice President Kamala Harris will also be attending this dinner meeting. Now, on 24th September is the most important event of this entire visit, Prime Minister Modi's bilateral with US President Joe Biden. Besides that, Prime Minister Modi will also be attending the Quad Summit. This is the first in-person Quad Summit. In fact, we've seen Quad Summits happening before. All of them were virtual. This is the first time all the world leaders will be coming together for an in-person summit. So you have India, Japan, United States and Australia as a part of this meeting. The Quad Summit meet, the in-person summit meet, will happen at the White House. It's being hosted, of course, by the US President. The timing of this visit is also very crucial considering what's happening in Afghanistan. With the situation in Afghanistan progressing as it is, as the situation unfolds, the Prime Minister's visit and all of these talks are extremely important. Apart from addressing the Afghanistan crisis, the two sides will also be working on a rather ambitious agenda considering and concerning the Indo-Pacific region. And then the next day, on 25th September, Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Washington DC will head back to New York, where he is going to be a part of the United Nations General Assembly. The Prime Minister is going to be addressing a session of the UNGA. And that will mark the end of his trip. The Prime Minister will be heading back to India on 25th September. Power-packed 3 days, no doubt there'll be a lot of takeaways for us as well for India.